Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are making keto flatbreads. These are only 3 ingredients, technically 4 if you include the salt, but these are so easy to make. They're delicious, like so good, and they're amazing with like hummus or with your favorite fillings, like whatever you want to use them for. I just eat them on their own sometimes. They're that good. These are made with my keto flour, which is now available on my website. If you don't have this flour, don't downvote this video. I also have other recipes on my blog you could always make instead, and I'll link a couple below. But I really appreciate the support of the people that have bought my flour and do like it. I'm so excited about it. It's honestly the coolest thing I've ever come up with, and it's amazing that people actually are using it. And I'm hoping this is another staple recipe for you guys that do have it. But anyways, with that said, let's just get straight into the video.